Good day, everyone. Let's give a spectacular wrap up to the first assessment, which indeed was very challenging due to unexpected closure of schools to suppress the spread of novel coronavirus. In this chaotic situation, ALS Super Squad has been working wholeheartedly to provide uninterrupted educational services in the best possible way. Let's pay tribute to the team members who have had been working really very hard throughout this tenure. Let's begin with the pillar holding the whole structure together, from where the influx of energy and the ideas kept the whole system work effectively and in fact in the best possible way. We are really grateful to Ma'am Zishan Zia Raja for mentoring us in transforming our skills into strengths and bringing out the best in all of us. Let's acknowledge the efforts and hard work of our worthy team members. We would like to acknowledge the efforts and hard work of our coordinators who are also working in the capacity of branch heads. Miss Maria Abid from Samnabad, Miss Nazia taking care of Gulshan Ravi, Miss Uneza Mubashir from Walton, Miss Faiza Ahmed from Rivas, Miss Maya handling Johor Town Zone, Miss Sana Ramzan taking care of PIA Zone, Miss Aisha from Wabda Town, Miss Labiba Zaidi taking care of Khayabane Qaid, Miss Qudsiya Shwe handling Park Block, Miss Ansa taking care of Rywet. Our worthy branch heads who have been working really hard throughout this period. Miss Amna, Samnabad Junior, Miss Humaira, Gulshan Ravi, Miss Sana Anwar from Rivas, Miss Nida, Johor Town, Miss Aisha, PIA 2, Miss Aisha Aziz from Gadi Shahu, Miss Saira Tabrar from Wahdat, Miss Wajiha, Park Block. Our section heads. Miss Shakila, very well done Shakila. Miss Mehreen Amir, good job Mehreen. Miss Munazza Abid, Munazza, you are really incredible. Miss Mahnoor Atiq, thank you Mahnoor for timely posting of everything in the groups. Miss Rabia Afzal, Rabia, you are multi-talented and dedicated team member. Miss Samira Nazir, thank you Samira. Miss Humaira Athar, thank you Humaira. This award ceremony, or this virtual award ceremony I must say, has been categorized as per following. Our special award will be for the branch head who was active in the groups in the best possible way and who supported or who brought forth best correspondence in the groups. Second category is of branch heads at their best. There were certain branch heads who were active in the groups, not only active, but they were promptly responding to all the queries, whatever was brought forth by the parents. Best section heads, and then ALS Super Support Team. Now, let's begin. ALS Superstar Award. This is a special award for a special person who has given the best. She was full of ideas. She was always there no matter what is the time. And not only ideas but implementation of the ideas and keeping track of each and everything. She has come forward like a leader. She has activated the whole team. It wasn't only her who was active. The whole team, they were pouring in their energies and their productive input throughout this tenure. I'm sure you must have got the name, but let's announce us the name of this special person who has held a very special place in the ALS academic department by playing her role very effectively. Miss Sana Ramzan. Sana, You have worked really very hard. It's not only the hard work, it's your imaginative thoughts, your ideas, and the way you were active and the way you kept the whole team alive throughout. And every day there was something very new that actually attracted everyone towards your groups and the activities and everything. It's not only the team that was actively participating. We really enjoyed the way your students, they were posting videos and they were delivering their work, and your very prompt response to their queries, as well as your motivation towards everyone, whether it was your team or the students, and your bond especially. So your leadership is really commendable. We wish you all the best. Here you go, Sana. Your prompt response, innovative ideas, maximum students' involvement, and keeping the whole team actively involved makes you stand to hold this award today. All the best and congratulations. Now, there were certain branch heads who have been working really actively. It's not about the active participation only, but apart from whatever material we were posting on the academic groups, they were not only posting the materials, but their quick response and their adequate response to the FAQs, and their motivation towards the students, everything. I mean, we were just noticing and we were keeping the record of each and everything. So there are certain branch heads who actually worked really out of the box, and their work was worth applauded. Again, we have Sana Ramzan, because it's not about only the way she was taking care of the groups, it was timely posting of each and every task and follow-up of instructions. Whenever we were posting academic compethons or whether there were some activities, she kept the whole situation go in the right direction. Excellent follow-up instructions. Very well done, Sana. Aisha, Miss Aisha, she has been working she has been adding energy to her groups, her bond with the students. It was very obvious the way she was writing comments by mentioning names of the students, and she was asking certain questions from the students, and whenever there was any query, she was very much involved in that. She was like, I mean, starting from the attendance of the children and getting back to them very quickly and taking care of them. Love and care she was showing towards the children, each and everything, and the way she was involved, we really loved it. Aisha, best of luck and congratulations. Answer: taking care of a gigantic branch in a best possible way, facing a lot of troubles, but again coming up with solutions, which is the role of a true leader. Ansa, we really like the way you were running the show, and you were very much concerned about each and everything. You were calling us, you were after us, and you were fixing things at your own independently. You made everything to go in a right direction. Congratulations, Ansa. Uneza, we really loved the way you appreciated your children in the compethons, the follow-up of instructions, and I mean, you were calling us, you were after us, whatever your students they wanted, resource and everything. I mean, that showed your involvement towards your children, and you wanted to give them everything, whatever they wanted from you, and that showed that you're concerned towards your children, and the way you were posting everything timely, and you were constantly in contact with your parents and children. You were not only active in groups, but you were calling us again and again and again for certain things. We really appreciate that, the way you kept the whole situation go in the right direction. Congratulations. and really love you, Neza, for your leadership and for your effective role as a branch head. Nida. Miss Nida, you were alone in the campus, no section head, no help. Even then, you managed each and every group independently, and you were there whether it was grade 3, 4, or 5, or any administrative issue. You were calling us, you were after us. The way you were putting in your comments and the way you were facilitating your students, we really appreciate. Best of luck, congratulations, and keep it up. The way you get involved in the things, that is the key for the success. Now we have another category for the section heads. There were certain section heads who were working with us day and night for the provision of resources, videos, lectures, lessons. So we really want to acknowledge their hard work and efforts as well. Miss Rabia Akhtar, a very talented, experienced, loyal, dedicated, and a hard-working person. Rabia, you are a gem, I must say that. Best of luck, congratulations, and always stay like this. You have a beautiful heart, and I really appreciate the way you get involved in the things. All the deadlines were timely met. Really bravo.
One and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny.
An excellent combination of knowledge and hard work, and a passionate member who is always eager to work even better. Munazza, thank you so much for providing us all the resources, and we are really grateful the way you were providing us each and everything before even deadline. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Munazza. Congratulations, and wish you a very best of luck for the future. Mehreen, this was the first time I worked with you. Me and Habiba, we were in contact with you. The way you worked with us, even though you were working for 6-7 as well, we really appreciate that. And I really love for a teacher or for a section head, I always like energy or the passion or the way they teach students. That was something that was very much reflective while you were delivering your lessons or lecture every day. I still remember me and Habiba, we were very happy that every day you were posting us lectures without any reminder, or we need not to remind you or get after you or ask you for certain things. Really thank you, Mehreen. You are an excellent team member. We are proud to have you as a part of our ALS Super Support team. Congratulations and keep it up. Last but not least, a team of master trainers. A team who has been working very hard, who had been with us since year or so many years, and these are the team members who help us in our trainings, and the team members who are always there whenever we require any of the support or whenever we require any additional material to be added academically, or whenever we need any help, anything, they are always there. A team of our master trainers. Miss Anam Nas, Muntaha Sami, Naheed Abbas, Rabia Afzal, now let me repeat their names. Anam Nas, Rabia Afzal, Naheed Abbas, Muntaha Sami, Saira Ilyas. This is a bunch of the team members, a beautiful bunch of very talented and very dedicated team members who are always there with us and who work wholeheartedly for the excellence of the system. Thank you so much, all of you, for pouring in your efforts and for working with us hand in hand to make this COVID session even more productive. We are really grateful. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. Congratulations.
Vision, though I believe, I know I can count on